To the leaders of the world, I say we tired of this vampire system. We no want no more bloodshed. We want food and clothes, feed the youth them. You dealing guns and ammunition, whilst the children need quality education. My name is Obinini Blackdin. I do reggae lovers rock. I've been doing music for the past 30 years now.
Hey, Mr. Politician, show some love, you know. Blackdin says so.
If I wasn't doing music, I would have been a military man.
Can you show some love?
Because my granddad wanted me to be a military man.
Hey, Mr. Big Man.
People who inspire me in the industry, Bob Marley, and Ghana here, I would say Samini.
The hopeless children. Hey, Mr. Big Man, I want you to show some.
The song which really resonates with me is We Over Them.
Cause I hear them crying.
The motivation behind We Over Them is, in our daily life, we go through hard times and people try to get us down, but we keep going. And at the end, we realize, no, we're still alive, we're still kicking. So day in, day out, we over them. That's where we send all their bad intentions back to the senders. 5 years from now, I'll see myself touring the world. Yes, with my music.
I take a look on the streets.
We want to get to the highest. We're aiming to get to the highest of the peak and pick any possible award God wants us to, grab through the journey. The artists I would like to work with in Ghana is Samini and Stonebwoy. Internationally, I would like to work with Tyrus Riley, Richie Spice, all the legends up there,
Them are smiling. You've got your cars, you've got your houses.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah. Oh nana. I love you more. I love you more. Mama, I love you more. Sweet you, Mama Africa. I love you more. Mama, I love you more. I love you more. Bless you, Mama Africa. There is no place like home. Say home, sweet home. No matter where I go, I'm gonna come back home. Cause I love my home. That's where I'm from. Oh, sweet Mama Africa, you are my own. You are the mother of nature, the beginning of creation. You smile so bright like the morning sun. You full of natural resources. I love you more. Mama, I love you more. Sweet Mama, I love you more. Yo, bless you, Mama Africa. I love you more. Mama, I love you more. Sweet Mama, I love you more. Yo, bless you, Mama Africa. I see the color of your skin and the beauty of your name. Oh, Mama Africa, you are so beautiful. I drop a seed in your womb. You grow me food to eat. Oh, Mama Africa, you are so beautiful. Cocoa and timber, gold and diamond. And that's how I make them abusing you. Mama, I feel your pain. You gonna smile again. I love you, Mama. I love you more. Mama, I love you more. Sweet Mama, I love you more. Yo, bless you, Mama Africa. I love you more. Sweet Mama, I love you more. I love you more. Yo, bless you, Mama Africa. There is no place like home. Say home, sweet home. No matter where I go, I'm gonna come back home. Cause I love my home. That's where I'm from. Oh, sweet Mama Africa, you are my own. You are the mother of nature, the beginning of creation. You smile so bright like the morning sun. You full of natural resources. I love you more. Sweet Mama, I love you more. Oh Mama, I love you more. Yo, bless you, Mama Africa. I love you more. Sweet mama, I love you more. Oh mama, I love you more. Yo, bless you mama Africa. Yeah. Bless mama Africa. One love, one world, one blood, one life. Rastafari. Bless you mama Africa. Yeah.